Hey guys, I'm back again. We've travelled all the way from England. We're now in Sweden in a beautiful forest and we're making bark boats. Do this project.
Boom shakalaka to all the people that want.
Yes, we're in Sundsvall, Sweden, where I used to be a woodwork teacher. Now, what's in Sundsvall? Only 1 million square acres of forest and loads of water. Check out how beautiful this place is. Now I've made my little bark boat. Let's set him off and then you'll see what I'm talking about. Bye-bye, little bark boat. Look at how weird this is. Can you see the water flowing? You can definitely see things flowing. I've picked probably an area. My boat's going backwards. It must be to do with wind. Oh, now we go. We're off. He's off. Bark boat away. Ah, I love it. I love it so much. It's a bit early in the midnight. That's so cool. I love these things. And that will go wherever the wind takes it. Oh, so peaceful. Okay, this is how you do it. Let me get the boys. We're going in the forest with our knives.
For me to go through all the things that I want to be.
Set it up.
I don't believe in everything I see. You know I'm blind, so why do you disagree? Take me away, 'cause I just don't want to stand.
Are you going to make one? Cool. There's the bark boat. Hey, Atty, you want to make one?
Yeah.
You want to make a bark boat? Okay, I'll find you some bark, okay? What do you love about it?
I love when it's like its meat is sticking up.
This is one of those natural projects that everybody can do. It takes very little time and you don't need anything. You just need a forest. I've got a wicked forest here in Sweden and I can go around finding bark. Now, bark has loads of little lines in it, you see? It's not like a tree that's hard. Bark is soft and flaky, yeah? Because it's flaky, I can shape it really easily. Now I'm going to use a little knife to shape it. Knives are sharp, cut away from you, cut away from your body, never cut towards your hand. And as I shape it, look at this, see the layers? Oh, it's so satisfying. That means you can build your boat. Now, don't have a pre-idea before you go walking. Go and find the bark and then make the boat that fits the bark, not the other way around. Oh, this is it. Just classic Swedish project for you that has hours of fun. The boys are going to love this. Look at the forest. We're going into it. Ready, boys?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we going to go find?
An adder.
An adder.
Yeah, sweet.
Tree bark.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go. Dun dun dun. Swedish summer house. Big forest. Okay, so Bo's just told me don't go in that way. There's deadly nightshade. What's that?
Okay, so deadly nightshade is a black berry. It's like a berry that's black. That usually massive tomato. So which you usually think is just like a blueberry or something. But actually, when you eat it, you might have watched Dr. Doolittle. The Queen was getting really sick, and there's no cure for deadly nightshade. But they made that fruit up. There's absolutely no cure for it, so you die. It's life or death. Daddy?
Deadly nightshade.
Really?
Here's some bark. It's really crumbly. No, that's too hard. Yeah, you got to find the right tree with big, thick bark. Here's some bark. I'm going to use my knife, you see. Just try to snap it off like that. Right. Here, deadly nightshade.
Before it goes black. And also, Daddy, look. Deadly nightshade over there. Look at that.
Oh, deadly nightshade.
That's all before it goes black.
Oh. Alright, we're going into the forest. There's some massive trees here, so there should be some really good bark.
Deadly nightshade here.
But it's not black, so it's not that deadly yet.
No, yeah, but it's still deadly.
bushy, isn't it? Bushwhacking. Bushwhacking. Be careful. Right, so this is a really good tree. See, I got some really nice bits of it. Now, we don't want to harm trees, but a little bit of bark won't hurt. Look, there's a really good bit sticking out. I'm just going to get my knife behind it. Yeah, like that. Nice and thick. Look how many layers are in that. It's like 100 layers. But yeah. Okay, we've got it. Look at this pile. Yeah. Now we need sticks and massive leaves. Cool. Okay, let's get the boys set up carving. How you shape it? No. Okay, smash at it. You got your shoes on? Yeah. Is it chopped in half?
Yeah.
Pick it up. Show me. Totally in half. Super sharp. Right, actually we've set up a little station. Now, we've got a rasp or a file. Bastard file, sorry for the bad word, but that's what it's called. Really aggressive. We've got a couple of knives and we've got some chopping boards. Set it up nicely. Let's watch the boys whittle this bunch of bark. Okay, let's make it. Right, here you go. Got my bark. So nice. I'm going to start with the file. Really aggressive file. Like filing your nails. It's very easy. It's always away from you, not towards your hand. It can still cut you a little bit. Ah, look at that. It's really so nice. Is that not a little boat or what? It's so perfect. It's going to float so well. The air in here is immense. I'm so happy with that. That's only number one. It's a perfect little boat. Right, I'm going to make a bigger one. Yeah, Bo found some more. Oh yeah, that floats really nicely. Cool. Where did you find that bark? Yes, we've been collecting. So I've got this boat number 2 coming together. Right, knives are sharp. Yeah, always away from you, never towards your body. Yeah, always have an adult present. Okay, so look at this one. It's got a big something in the middle of it. It's not that good, is it? I don't really like that. So I think I'm gonna try and make like a catamaran-ish thing. Because I've looked at the shape.
Find it right here.
Does that not look like a catamaran or what? Right. You drill, use a drill if you want, use a wind drill. I'm just going to make sure my hand's out the way. And way out the way. Float test. Ready? Nice! Floats so well! Push it out! Yes! Oh, it's cruising! That's the shape of it. Wow, that's the fastest one yet, isn't it? You love it, Ash. It's all go here. Bo's filing. Ha ha ha! Addie's in the water. Right, speedboat. I've had a request for a speedboat. So here we go. I'm going to select, see all my pieces here. Time. We got mini speedboat, we got a bit bigger speedboat, We've got the sailing boat, catamaran. We've got the, what's your one, Oh, mammoth speedboat. Look at that one. That's the latest one. Yeah. So cool. Right, we're going to set off from this jetty up here. Yeah, we're going to set off from that wooden structure, set the boats in, and then it's the first person to the very end. Right, actually pick which boat you want. Is that what you're going to do? So you won't get back. Okay, let's get this race on. Guys, do this project. Bark boats are amazing, so quick and easy to make, so simple, and like Auntie says, all you need is trees. Got loads of those. Yes, Attie's is one. Can you see it all the way down there? Hectic. The flow of the river caught his boat the best. This has been a great project. It's taken literally an hour and we've gone for a little walk in the woods. We've done some whittling, we've made boats and we've raced them. Do this project, guys. Like and subscribe.